Did you know your Apple TV can transform into an IPTV powerhouse? Let's dive straight into uncovering this hidden gem today. You'll be amazed at how simple it is. Ready to unlock endless entertainment? We're setting up IPTV step by step right now. First, let's connect to a reliable IPTV platform. Quick pause. Check out 2tv.store for optimal streaming. Fast, efficient, and trusted. Okay, back to the setup. Navigate to your Apple TV settings. Let's explore how to integrate IPTV access smoothly. Easy as pie, right? Now, download an IPTV application from the App Store. Choose one that suits your preferences best. Thanks to protocols like M3U and Extreme, your playlist will soon be personalized. So choose your favorites and relax. Alright, apps are ready. Next, it's time to input playlist URLs. We'll show you exactly how in a few simple steps. Think you're stuck? Don't worry. Troubleshooting common issues doesn't have to be a drag. We're here to help swiftly. Your IPTV is now live. Experience all possible channels with top-tier quality. Feels like magic, doesn't it? Wondering about the little tweaks for optimal experience? We've some bonus tips to enhance your Apple TV functionalities. Voila! You've just opened a whole new world of entertainment on your Apple TV. Explore, enjoy, and keep streaming.